Hi guys.
Hello.
We got something really awesome. Want to see what it is? Stay tuned for our next video.
Coming at you. Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
Hi guys.
Hey everyone. Hi.
Welcome back to Booze Cruise.
Welcome. You've been gone a minute.
I know.
Sorry.
We miss you, but we've been busy, we've been working, and we are 2 weeks from our cruise.
2 weeks. It is now, 2 days before Halloween, 3 days before Halloween?
Yes, it is October 28th.
Yes. So, wait, we're going on, I know this.
Yeah.
I know this. November 11th.
Yes,
Sorry.
November 11th through
November 11th
14th.
through the 14th.
On the
Carnival Fascination.
Inspiration. We went on the Fascination like 3 years ago. Guys, we're so excited, and we are actually coming here because we want to share with you something that we just got, that we have gotten some discounts for you if you want one. I'm so excited. So, like I said, we are going on this cruise, and one of the things that a lot of people get on their cruises that I have been Jelsey Clinton of is door tags, like name tags that you put on the door that show which room you're in. This, I think, started on Disney Cruise Line, and people would get little Mickey ears and stuff, but I found one that we got custom made for us by, it's actingashley.etsy.com. actingashley.etsy.com. So it came in the mail. It comes like this, all wrapped up.
We'll put a description in there.
Oh yeah, we're gonna put a drop down
so you guys know. But yes,
do you want to show it, babe?
Oh, we can. Yeah, I'll show it. Boom. Hopefully the light.
Oh yeah, the light. Bring it closer.
Take it closer. So it's can you see it? Yeah.
It's a magnetized door
so
tag.
Cute.
It is so.
It says Booze Cruise, and it has our names, David and Jarrell, of course. But yes, she made this for us.
Isn't that just the cutest? So you can get it done in either way. You can see like the wheel, and then our names, and then the little thing, and then on the back there
it has
the magnets.
And her name is there too. You can't really see it there.
Yes, because
Let
me see.
It.
Oh yeah, you can. Acting Ashley.
We'll put it in the description box below.
But look, isn't this the cutest? And it goes on your door. Many people don't know, if you've never been on a cruise, that the check your cruise, because some are, some aren't, but most doors are like aluminum, and so this will stick right on your door, and it's Booze Cruise. Now, if you are going for a special thing, like say that this is, say this was our wedding cruise, or say that this is a family reunion, you can put the name of the ship or what this is for here, but we wanted it to just be generic and say Booze Cruise and then our name, so that we can use it on all our upcoming cruises, so that we know which room we're in and our friends know which room we're in. I'm obsessed with this.
Like the cruises we've gone on, he's like, I want one of those for our room. I want one of those, and now we have one. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ashley.
Thank you.
Acting Ashley. I want to say it a million times. actingashley.etsy.com. We're gonna put it in the bottom, and guess what we got for you? Guess what Ashley offered? We have a discount code just for you. It is 10% off. 10%. I know, and it's already super affordable, and she'll customize them, and she doesn't have just this one. She has other ones. She has Disney ones. She has ones that are like an ocean scene. Just the cutest. I love them. They're laminated. They are really great quality. 10% off. 10% the discount code is
Booze Cruise.
That's BOOSCRUIZ, because you're worth it.
So go to actingashley.etsy.com and you would type in Booze Cruise as the promo code, and you'll get 10% off.
Yes.
Simple as that.
And you can have one of your awesome,
your very own,
amazing,
whatever you want to say.
Yeah, so you can say here, like I think it says Let's Cruise in the original one. But she, check with her, work with her, because she is so fast, so prompt. This came in like 2 days. Like, he didn't even know.
Yeah, he mentioned it over the phone, and then it came in the mail 2 days later. I'm like, oh wow, what is this package? I'm like, oh.
And also, just a tip. this goes on our refrigerator when we're not cruising.
Oh,
so
yeah.
we see
That's
it
where
all
it's
the
been
time.
for the last day or two.
I just love it. Anyway, we miss you guys. We're gonna do some videos. Hopefully a giveaway before we leave.
Videos, I guess.
I just ordered some extra batteries for the GoPro, so now we have 3, so we can constantly be.
So we have extra batteries and extra memory cards too.
Yay.
So now we don't have to keep like editing or like dropping and stuff, like dropping pictures.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Videos
Constantly. Can't do that
while on the cruise. So yeah. So
yeah. So we love you. We miss you. Shout out to our Patreons. Hopefully you guys got your last postcards. If you are interested in Patreon, it's patreon.com/boostcruise if you guys want to sign up for that and get some postcards. We are definitely going to be looking for postcards on our on the cruise, either from the ship or in Catalina or Ensenada.
Yes.
We did that last time.
We did get them.
Yeah, we did from
Ensenada.
Ensenada. So maybe Catalina. Anyway, we love you. We miss you.
Yes,
this
we
is
do.
5 minutes long.
5 minutes.
I know.
It's not long. We've had longer.
Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to rate, comment, thumbs up, all that stuff. And we will see you guys soon.
Bye, you
Bye,
guys.
guys.